Hey everybody, on my travels today I came across this field. Don't know whose it is, but as you can see in the background there's a set of anhydrous tanks sitting on the field. Anhydrous has already been applied to this field. I don't know when the application date was, but just a little information. You know, I understand that people have acres to cover, need to get it done, but the rule of thumb is to not apply anhydrous until soil temperatures are 50 degrees and dropping beyond that point. Now we'll have you look. I put a thermometer out here in the ground. I don't know if that shows up. 53 degrees. So we're close to that 50 degree mark, but not quite there. And the troubling part with that is, even though we're close, the weather the next few days is going to be on the warmer side, so we're not on a cooling trend right now. And even if you use a full rate of N-Serve, it's roughly 50 days of protection of soil temperatures above 50 degrees that you're getting with that N-Serve. So what you don't want to do is use up the bulk of those days in the fall, and then in the spring ahead of planting time you don't have many days left and you have no protection before the seed even goes into the ground next year. As you're driving around, if you see customers or even prospects that have anhydrous on really early, keep those fields in mind in case our product goes on there next year, because it wouldn't be surprising if they would start showing some nitrogen deficiency a little bit sooner than anticipated, and a lot of it is going to go back to this, where they aren't getting that protection of the N-Serve in the time of the year that they really need to have it. They're using up too many of those days in the fall rather than saving that protection through the winter months and even into the spring next year.